Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can change the theme on your PlayStation 5. So let's begin the video. First of all guys, if you are PS5 owner, you may know that previously we did not had any option to change the theme on the PS5 as we did on the PS4. However, recently Sony just released a new software update which actually allows PS5 users to change the theme. So it's pretty simple. First of all, you need to have the latest software update. For that, you're going to go to the top right where it says setting, open settings, scroll down, open system. In system software, go down and click on system software update and settings, and here it will see for the latest software update if it is available in your region. In my case it's showing up to date. So if I go back, go to console information, in system software you can see I have 24.06 So if you have software to this version or any above version, then you're going to have the option to change themes on your PS5. So we're just simply going to go back. So in order to change the theme, you're going to go to the welcome menu. So in PlayStation Store's right side, you're going to see this welcome menu, and here you can customize the theme as well, change the widgets, etc. To change the theme, go to the top right within the welcome menu, and you're going to have an option saying change background. Click on change background, and from here you're going to have three options: from PlayStation, from games, and from media gallery. If you want to change the background to your image that you have in your media gallery, you can select from here. If your games have any background, it will show here, like in my case Astro's Playroom. And from PlayStation, these are the themes that are officially provided by PlayStation. Some are fixed images like this one, and some are animated themes. So if I just select this particular theme and click on X, it's going to apply it. If I go back, you can see the theme is applied on the PS5's background. And last thing is that Sony is pushing out this theme function slowly. So currently it is available for the PlayStation accounts that have USA country. Slowly it will be available for all the countries within the world. So you may have to wait some time if you are living in a different country. But anyways guys, in this way you can change the theme on your PlayStation 5. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.